Mandera Governor Ali Roba now joins a list of governors whose elections have been held after the High Court dismissed a petition challenging his election for his second term in office. In upholding his victory, Justice Fred Ochieng ruled that the election of Ali Roba reflected the will of the people.
I found no flaw in the elections which was so grave as to have been capable of subverting the will of the people of Mandera County. The results declared by the returning officer reflected the will of the voters as they had been expressed through the ballot. Accordingly, I find that the third and fourth respondents were validly elected as the governor and deputy governor of Mandera County. In the event, the petition is dismissed.
The court further ruled that though a few discrepancies were witnessed during the election of Roba, they were not significant enough to affect the outcome of the poll.
But because neither the petitioner nor the third respondent has been shown to have played any role in any possible interference with the contents of the ballot boxes after the presiding officers had declared the results, we should accept the results of the scrutiny at face value.
Former Provincial Commissioner Hassan Noor Hassan, who had moved to challenge the election of Jubilee Governor, was ordered to pay 10 million shillings as cost of the petition.
You should not be too angered because of the outcome of the democratic process of election in Mandera. We welcome you on board as brothers and colleagues, not rivals and enemies. It's time to synergize and build Mandera County together. To all the people of Mandera, I say it's time for us to come together as one united Mandera people.
Meanwhile, the election of Mwangi Benjamin Gadhiru as Embakasi Central Member of Parliament has been upheld. In dismissing the petition, Justice Joseph Onguto ruled that the petitioner Ezra Nomondi failed to prove claims of irregularities, illegalities and forgery during the August 8th election. The petitioner has also been ordered to pay 3 million shillings to be shared among 3 respondents. In Mombasa, the High Court dismissed an election petition challenging the victory of Changamwe Member of Parliament Omar Mwinyi. Lady Justice Njoki Mwangi ruled that the allegations raised by the petitioner Mohammed Mahmood had no backing in law.
The evidence tendered in the scrutiny report, I am of the considered view that the irregularities occasioned are not of such a magnitude that would justify the annulment of the election results for the Changamwe constituency for the elections held on 8th August 2017.
Mahmoud, a voter in Changamwe, was ordered to pay 8 million shillings as costs.
Kuishi vizuri ndani ya Changamwe kwa miaka hiyo yote, na hatuko tayari mtu yoyote kuja kutuletea uhasama wa kugawanya watu kwa misingi ya kikabila.
Separately, the Machakos High Court declared Victor Munyaka validly elected as Machakos Town Member of Parliament. In a petition filed by Wiper's Paul Mutisia, Justice David Kimei dismissed all allegations against Munyaka's victory and ordered the petitioner to pay 4 million shillings as cost. Finally, in Kajiado, the election of George Sunkuya as Kajiado West Member of Parliament has been upheld. Justice John Onyego dismissed a petition challenging his victory for lack of sufficient evidence and instead ordered the petitioner Joseph Simel of ODM to pay 2 million shillings as cost. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.